Today I like to speak about the different kind of beans that you can find. There are over 100 coffee tree species around the world, but two of them are mostly produced and exported. This is Coffea arabica and Coffea robusta. There is other variety of coffee beans such as Coffea excellia, Coffea stenophila, Coffea liberica, but those kind of beans are non-existent in the export market. Coffee beans are grown in what is called the bean belt or the coffee belt. This is an area located along the equator between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Tropic of Cancer. In this area, there is around 70 countries that are growing coffee. Why they are growing coffee? Because of the tropical climate, the rich soil, the rainy season and dry season, which make it optimal to grow coffee beans. Although Arabica coffee and Robusta coffee may look similar, there is many differences between the two. The following list will pin out the differences between Arabica coffee and Coffea robusta. So where are produced Arabica and Robusta coffees? Robusta was discovered in the Republic of Congo in the 19th century. Coffea robusta represents 30% of the world's coffee production. The top producers of Robusta are Brazil, Vietnam, Colombia, Indonesia and Ethiopia. Arabica was discovered in Ethiopia in the 15th century. Coffea arabica accounts for 70% of the world coffee production. It is grown throughout Latin America, Central and East Africa, India, and to some extent Indonesia. How are those coffee cultivated? A big difference between Arabica and Robusta coffees are the conditions in which they are grown. Arabica coffee is grown anywhere upward of 600 meters on mountaintop and tropical environment. Whereas Robusta coffee is grown anywhere from sea level to around 600 meters in flat plantation, so that it's easier to harvest and less labor intensive. Robusta is more disease and pest resistant due partly to its higher caffeine content that acts as a natural insecticide. The choice to grow Robusta trees is driven by economic decision, not by quality concern. Coffea arabica takes about 7 years to fully mature, and Robusta become mature after 2 to 3 years. What are the bean differences between Arabica and Robusta coffees? The first main difference is the shape. Robusta beans are much more circular, whereas Arabica are more oval. Arabica coffee beans are having a slightly larger shape than the smaller, rounder Robusta beans. The second main difference is the lipid and sugar content. Arabica contains almost 60% more lipids and almost twice the concentration of sugars than Robusta. As a result, these sugars play an important role during the roasting process in creating several key aromatic compounds, as well as contributing to the body due to its greater level of dissolved soluble. The third difference is the caffeine and chlorogenic acid. Due to their bitter taste, both caffeine and chlorogenic acid are believed to act as deterrent for insects and animals. Because Robusta contains about twice the concentration of both caffeine and chlorogenic acid, it's the plant much more robust in the world. What is the price difference between Arabica and Robusta coffee? From a price perspective, the Arabica costs twice the amount of the Robusta coffee. The Arabica coffee is considered superior to Robusta due to its flavor and its low acidity. The cultivation of Arabica coffee is much more expensive than the Robusta because Arabica coffee is grown at higher altitude and it's much more labor intensive than Robusta that is grown at low altitude. How Arabica and Robusta taste? When you roast Robusta beans, you will end up in your coffee cup with a bitter aftertaste, woody, burnt smell, and it will have a much heavier body but with really less acidity. Most of the Robusta coffee beans will end up in the commercial market, in the commercial coffee shop brand, or it will be mixed to reduce the cost of the coffee blend. Robusta is still used in the espresso blend, especially the Italian one, because it will increase the crema of the coffee cup. Also, Robusta will help the coffee shop to reduce the cost of their blend because Robusta is cheaper than Arabica. But for a real coffee expert, it will not taste great. To conclude, when you are having your next cup of coffee, try to find out the origin of the coffee beans you are drinking. Ultimately, it's a question of taste. But remember that local roaster or specialty coffee shop will never serve you Robusta or Robusta coffee blend. À bientôt!